Hello, now we'll start from Mathematics class 6th R.D. Sharma, chapter number 2, Highest Common Factor. In short form, we can say HCF. Now, how to find highest common factor? HCF. First method we have prime factorization method to find HCF of two or more number. One is prime factorization method. You know that prime factorization we had done. We can see with an example how to find prime factorization method. Now we have to find the HCF of 12 and 36. Find HCF, highest common factor. Now first we have to do the prime factorization method. So we'll just find the factor of 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now again for 36. So 2 1s are 2, 1 remains 16, 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now write the factor of 12 and 36 here. So factor of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 and 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now which are the common factor? 2 is common. So HCF equal to 2 is common. So 2. Again 2 in both 2 is there common. Multiply by 2. And here 3 is also there. So multiply by 3. In both of them, whichever the common number you have to write here in HCF one time. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 3 is 12. So highest common factor of 12 and 36 is 12. Now we'll see exercise number 2.6. Question number 1. Find the HCF of the following number using prime factorization method. This method is called prime factorization method to find HCF. So first one we'll do 144 and 198. We have to find the. So exercise number 2.6, first one, find the HCF. First we have to find the factor of this. So with prime factorization we'll do. So 2 7 is 14 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are 6. 1 remain, 12 is there. So 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now another one, 198. Okay. So 2 9s are 18. 1 remain. 9s are. Again with 3 we can do. 33s are 99. 3 1 11s are 33 and 11 1s are. Now this factor we have to write here. 144 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 4 times and 3 2 times. And for 198, 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Okay, now we have to find HCF. Which are the common one? Just circle that. 2 is common. Here again 3 is common and another one is 3. So HCF equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Answer is 2 into 3 is 6. 6 3 is 80. Third one question is 84 and 98. First we'll find factor 84 to za, 2 za, 2 2 za, 1 za, 3 7 za, and 7 1 za. Now for 98, 2 1 2 4 za 8, 1 remain, 9 7 7 za 49, and 7 1 za. 84 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and 98 equal to 2 into 7 into 7. Which are the common one? 2 and 7. So HCF equal to 2 into 7, which is equal to 40. Understood? Now we'll do the fifth one. Question is 170 and 238. Prime factorization. So 172. 2 8s are 16 and 5s are 10. Then 5 17s are 85 and 70 1s are. Another 3 2 3 8. 2 1 1 9s are. Then 7 17s are and 70 1s are. Factor we will write 170 equal to 2 into 5 into 17. 238 equal to 2 into 7 into 17. Common one 2 and 17. So HCF equal to 2 into 17. 2 into 17 is 34. Now another one, which is seventh one, 150, 140 and 210. Now see here more than 2 numbers is there. No need to worry. Okay, first of all we'll find all 3 prime factor. So first is 2 75s are, 3 25s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Another one 140. So 2 70s are, 2 35s are, 5 7s are, and 7 1s are. 2 10. 2 105s are, 3 35s are, 5 7s are, and 7 1s are. Now all factor we will write 150 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, and 140 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, and 210 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now in that all 3, which number is common? 2 is common, then 5 is common. Okay, only these 2 common. HCF equal to 2 into 5 equal to 2 5 is 10. Easy. Now ninth one, 106, 159 and 265. 106. So 2 5s are 10 and 3s are. Now 53. 1s are only 53. Right? Again another one, 159 does not divisible by 2. So we can try with 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3s are. Again 53 came. So 53 1s are 53. Now 265. So with 2 not possible. It is 5 over here. With 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So, we'll go to 5. Yes, we can do with 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 50. Right. So, 53 ones are 53. This number we have to write. So, factor of 106 is equal to 2 into 53. Another number is 159 equal to 3 into 53, and 265 is equal to 5 into 53. In all of 53 is common, so HCF equal to 53. See question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? First is numbers, second is even number, and third is odd number. Consecutive means continue. See in question number 2, we have given two consecutive and we have to find HCF. Now consecutive means continue. Now with number, if we take for example any number we can take, so 2 and 3 we can take. So factor of 2 is 1 and 2 and factor of 3 is 1 and 3. So highest common factor we have to find. So 1 is the common, so 1 we can write. Now HCF of any number is equal to 1. For two consecutive number is 1. Now for second one, even number. Okay, for example we take 2 and 4. So factor of 2 is 1 and 2 and factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so here common is 1 and 2. So HCF equal to, we'll multiply it, 1 into 2. So answer is 2. So HCF of even number is equal to 2. Now HCF of two consecutive odd numbers. So for example we can take 3 and 5. Okay, for the factor of 3, 1 and 3 and factor of 5 is 1 and 5. So highest common factor is 1. Okay, so two consecutive odd number HCF is equal to 1. So we can write HCF of two consecutive number is equal to 1. What is the HCF of two consecutive even number is 2 and for odd number is 1. Now see the question number 3. HCF of co-prime number 4 and 15 was found as follows. 4 equal to 2 into 2 and 15 equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. It is given that it is 0. HCF is 0. Is the answer is correct? If not, what is the correct answer? Now, if we'll find the factor of what is there given? 4 and 15. Okay, so question number 3, factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4 and for 15 is 1, 3, 5. Okay, here common factor we have 1. So HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. But in this question it is written that it is 0. 0 is not the answer. So we can write over here that 0 is not true. So no. For this question we are written no. If not, what is the correct HCF? Correct HCF we had find out just now, which is 1. Okay, understood? Thank you for watching this video.